Some journeys begin quietly, in the middle of everyday chaos. As I walk through the familiar rush of my city, I realize how much I love this feeling. Leaving everything known behind and stepping into the unknown. Airports, the edge of one world and doorway to another. Japan, my first glimpse of a world I have only imagined. It instantly feels different, quiet, efficient, and beautifully calm. Today, it's not about reaching a destination, it's about moving through shifting landscapes, each mile taking me deeper into Japan's countryside. As Tokyo fades behind me, Japan reveals its serene side, endless screens and majestic mountains. No loud moments, just nature, simplicity, and silence. A moment to breathe, a moment to feel alive.